Well, hello guys, happy Monday. We are going swimming finally. It's like past 1. It's so hard to get out this house like with 2 kids, let alone 1, 2 kids. It's hard. And Joey's coming. Joey, you should tell them how you got recognized if you want. Want me to tell them?
Okay.
He's camera shy. Joe got recognized at work, like from the video from Roman. Let me start that over! Okay, Joe got recognized at work from the intro, the Roman Atwood intro, if you've seen it. And they were like 2 aisles over and he like was walking by or something and they knew it was him. It's like, oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. What are you doing, Ethan? These kids are so impatient. He's like, come on this way.
Austin.
His name's Austin?
Yes.
Oh, so you talked to them?
No. No.
Maybe he's watching this. Oh, what person?
The one that walks on the me.
The window's bright. Oh yeah.
Yeah, and he started doing YouTube because he started watching other people do YouTubes and like he thought that they were happy and everything, so then he decided that he could make other people happy.
Yeah, that's good. I mean, I always try and be like happy. I mean, I'm generally a happy person. But you know, sometimes you just don't feel like filming. That's why I'm not a daily vlogger. I don't know how they do it. Like some days you just don't want to.
You only vlog about like once a week.
Yeah. Yeah, I try and get a vlog up like a few times a week because I love looking back like at videos. I will like sit there and just like watch videos from years ago, like well before Caden, and just it's fun to see how much I've changed and then see how much Caden has changed. Like it's awesome. Vlogging just for yourself is awesome.
You should do a video about introducing yourself.
I have. But not like a recent video, like older videos. Like I think my first video on this channel, I think I introduced myself. Yeah, I introduced myself. I don't even know what it is, so don't even go back and watch that. So I came, it's like pee. I'm like, where? And so I look over and this is where, inside here, like, if you can see. So I guess I guess that's a step in the right direction. How old this house is. It's from 1636. It's crazy. Look at that roof. It looks like it's gonna collapse. They have haunted houses and I wanna go. I don't think I've ever been in there. I've lived here. Well, I don't live here anymore, but I did. And I've never been in there.
It's
pretty cool.
Small.
It's really small. It looks really small. That's like underground, that part.
Yeah, you have to wear like these
cool.
special things on your feet.
Oh, like gloves, something, latex?
No, they're like cotton.
Cotton?
Around your feet.
Oh, really? That's cool. Here's the other side. It's so cool that it's so old. Look at Joe pushing the stroller. I was acting like I needed him to push the stroller, but I really just wanted to film to see what it would look like. You look like a dad, Uncle Dad. We made it finally. It was a long walk, but it's not that bad, but it's just so hot. And he wants to go on the trampoline first. You going in the pool, Joe? Or on the trampoline?
It's both 20 to 33 pounds.
It looks so little. Oh, it's like a short suit. You guys are by yourself? Oh yeah, Ethan's not used to it. Caden's very used to it. There's a quarter on the trampoline. Go, Ethan. Oh. It's so funny seeing them by themselves. There's a net. Like you can't really tell on camera, but there's a net. Yeah.
Come in.
I'm too hot.
Let me take my shoes
After
off.
I go swimming, okay?
Mommy, come in.
Yeah. I gotta put sunblock on. See? There's Bear under the trampoline. They love to go in the shade. You guys going swimming in the pool? Hi.
Have they gone swimming?
Yeah. Bear likes it, but Toby doesn't. You guys must be so hot. Whoa! He loves doing that. See how high you can go. Whoa, you almost fell. Look at him, look at Caden. Oh, no. Little jumping bean. Pop, pop, whoa, you got knocked down. Look at Bear. He's so funny. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Caden's funny. You guys in a boat. Oh, Bear, do you want to go in too? That would be so funny. Look at you guys.
Toby, come on.
Oh, Toby's coming in. Where is? Oh, no, Toby's underneath. He's in the shade. He's smart. I know.
Walk up a what?
Look at you guys.
What?
That is so cute.
Oh, he does diving. Diving.
I thought you would take your hat off.
Yeah, no.
I didn't know he was coming in.
Like that. Yeah.
Can you send the ducky off? Ready? Smell across the ducky this way. Ready? Bye, ducky.
I'll get take my hat off.
Bye, Kate.
Yes.
I have you.
I gotta shuffle the camera. Put it in the way so it doesn't get wet. 1 second. You probably got that still jumping in.
Yeah. This stuff is so good. This chicken dip, it has cheese. It's bomb. Are you coming out to get some? Joe's on, what is it called? Live Me?
LiveMe.com.
Yeah, I'm
No,
vlogging. Live Me. So, what's
Yes,
your
vlogging.
name on it, Joe?
Joe Fly Anderson.
Okay, it's Joe Fly Anderson if you want to go watch him. He does it like
He's
every
vlogging,
day.
but-
Look at Joe. He's just laying there talking. He has like 100 people watching, or 91.
Yeah, about 91.
This is the most he talks.
Ah, no! Ethan!
What are you doing, Ethan?
Yeah, I got taco.
How's your
by my
chips?
Yungo. That's good.
Yeah.
No, don't
I like your
tackle
bathing
me.
suit. I got it for her. Let me see the back. It's a little big, but it's cute. Joe's playing dodgeball, but he's so rough.
No.
Usually.
No, ah!
Ethan. Oh, you got owned. Do people still say that anymore? Owned?
Sorry. My nephew threw the ball at me and hit the phone off my face.
Balls are in the way.
Butt drop!
Kaden, do a butt drop. You guys show Ethan how to. You are an expert butt dropper. Ethan, ready? You just fall on your bum. Yeah, good enough. So many balls. Woo! Can you get up, Ethan? Yeah. Good job.
Ready?
Do it again.
Yay! Can Ethan do it?
I'm not so.
Oh, look at he puts his head to the side. Yay! Oh, Caden, gentle.
Gentle.
You need to intervene. You guys are enjoying those.
Eating them.
I know, Caden's almost done. He just got it. Look at his face.
Who?
Look at your face.
What one are you talking about?
Caden.
Look at Ethan.
Oh my god, I didn't even see Ethan's. This is where it's at. Fill in bottles with rocks. Ethan, no. Spit it out. Don't do that. You guys are good.
No licking.
Careful with that. Is it dedicated to Daddy? Oh. Don't touch Ethan.
I need to do Kaden.
This. Hey, Kaden! I was just about to sing. No, that's rude. Don't do that. Kaden, he put the ball on the other one.
Yeah.
Are you working out? Yeah, you gotta work all that food off, that chicken dip. Oh my goodness. You guys are so silly.
Keeping on me so high.
Oh, you're doing it, Joe. I didn't even realize.
How They won't
I have
be able
no
to do
idea.
it.
I know, I didn't think about that. You guys are funny. You crack me up.
Just be careful, Amanda.
Yeah.
He howls.
And it's gonna be alright. Cause the player's gonna play. And the haters gonna hate, baby. I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off. Shake it off. I'm so bad.
Hello.
Taylor let me drive them.
Yeah, she driving us for the first time. See?
Hurry. Mom is that got that's knowing you, Dad.
One, Forrest, one.
Oh my god. This is like ridiculous. I had to go because this is crazy. I dropped them off safely. We made it. Taylor's gonna be like, where the heck is she? I stopped to donate some clothes that was at my mom's. Do it, right? Oh, I did it. Go get the other ones. You are having a fun day, Kaden. Yeah, you get to go to the library. I think Daddy's having the most fun though.